Come test drive 2004 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, roof rack, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, center console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.